Good afternoon. I'll make this quick. I'm John For Maclovi Oliero, a PhD candidate at the University of Santo Tomas, majoring in philosophy. And I am also a junior faculty at National University Philippines, Fairview Campus. My paper is entitled Artificial Intelligence and Human Dignity, Ethical Challenges to human dignity. As AI systems become increasingly integrated into various aspects of society, they raise critical questions about autonomy, justice, and social responsibility. The ethical implications of AI are multifaceted, affecting individuals and communities in ways that necessitate careful philosophical analysis. Firstly, AI's impact on autonomy is a key concern as algorithmic decision-making risks undermining individual freedom and self-determination. AI's ability to predict, influence, and even control decisions poses a threat to personal autonomy, particularly in sensitive domains such as healthcare, education, and employment. The question arises, how can we ensure that AI systems respect individual agency while remaining beneficial to society? Secondly, justice in AI is a critical issue as the deployment of AI systems often reflects and amplifies existing social inequalities. Bias in AI algorithms can result in discrimination, perpetuating disparities in race, gender, and socioeconomic status. Philosophical frameworks of justice such as Rawls' theory of fairness offer valuable insights into how AI can be developed and applied in ways that promote equitable outcomes. Finally, the ethical responsibility of AI developers and users must be addressed. The social responsibility of ensuring AI benefits humanity while minimizing harm requires a robust ethical framework integrating considerations of accountability, transparency, and the common good. Now, this paper explores these ethical implications, advocating for a comprehensive approach to AI that prioritizes human dignity and addresses the social, legal, and philosophical challenges posed by these technologies. The ethical discourse surrounding AI must evolve to ensure that its deployment supports the flourishing of individuals and communities in a just and responsible manner. On to the preliminaries. The emergence of AI represents a defining moment in human history, fundamentally altering the interplay between technology, society, and ethics. As AI systems integrate into vital spheres such as healthcare, education, governance, and employment, we recognize the remarkable potential alongside their profound ethical challenges. Central to this exploration is human dignity, a principle that transcends cultural and philosophical boundaries, yet remains vulnerable amid rapid technological change. How can we ensure that AI, with its capacity to predict, influence, and automate, enhances rather than undermines the essence of humanity? Let us then examine the ethical implications of AI through the interconnected lenses of autonomy, justice, and social responsibility, proposing a comprehensive framework that safeguards human dignity and promotes the flourishing of individuals and communities in an increasingly automated world. Let us view autonomy, a cornerstone of human dignity, as profoundly affected by AI's rise. Algorithmic decision-making powered by expansive datasets and complex models often operates beyond human oversight, subtly shaping or even dictating individual choices. In healthcare, we note AI-driven tools prioritizing efficiency over patient input. In education, adaptive systems may narrow intellectual exploration, and in employment, automated processes may limit opportunities without accountability. These trends challenge the concept of self-determination, leading to the question, to what extent does dependence on AI erode personal agency? How can we advocate for systems that reinforce rather than replace human decision-making? These issues are particularly significant in diverse global contexts, where cultural values of individuals and collective responsibility intersect with accelerating technological adoption. Justice emerges as another critical focus as we observe AI systems frequently reflecting and amplifying existing social inequalities. Bias embedded with algorithms, whether from flawed data or unchecked design, can perpetuate discrimination across race, gender, and socioeconomic lines. In regions marked by cultural and economic diversity, we identify the risk of AI entrenching exclusion as seen in technologies like facial recognition that struggle with non-Western demographics or systems that favor privileged groups. Drawing on philosophical perspectives on roles, theory of justice, which we value for its emphasis on fairness and equitable outcomes, let us investigate how AI can reduce rather than exacerbate societal gaps. The ethical mandate is clear. We insist that AI must serve as an instrument of inclusion and not division. Lastly, let us underscore the social responsibility of those who develop, implement, and regulate AI. The transformative power of AI necessitates accountability, transparency, and a commitment to the common good. Yet, we acknowledge a global pursuit of technological dominance that often prioritizes innovation over ethical deliberation. This paper then argues for a robust ethical framework informed by diverse cultural and philosophical traditions, including those emphasizing collective well-being and moral duty to ensure AI benefits humanity while minimizing harm. Through this effort, the goal of this paper is to propose an AI ethics rooted in human dignity, responsive to global complexities, and dedicated to fostering a just and responsible technological future. In the sections that follow, let us analyze these ethical dimensions, offering insights and principles to guide AI's evolution in alignment with humanity's highest aspirations. On to the second point, AI and the erosion of autonomy. The integration of AI into daily life raises pressing ethical concerns, with its impact on autonomy standing as a primary challenge. Let us view autonomy defined as the capacity for self-determination and independent decision-making as a fundamental expression of human dignity, yet one increasingly at risk in an era dominated by algorithmic systems. AI's ability to predict, influence, and in some cases, control human decisions threatens individual freedom, particularly in sensitive domains such as healthcare, education, and employment. This section explores how these systems encroach upon personal agency and grapples with the central question: how can we ensure that AI respects individual autonomy while delivering benefits to society as a whole? In healthcare, we observe AI's growing role in diagnostics and treatment planning, as mentioned earlier, where algorithms often dictate courses of action based on statistical probabilities rather than patient preferences. A patient facing a life-altering diagnosis, for instance, might find their choices constrained by an AI system, prioritizing efficiency or cost-effectiveness over their values or desires. This shift risks reducing individuals to data points within predictive model, undermining their ability to exercise informed consent, a cornerstone of medical autonomy. Similarly, in education, AI-driven adaptive learning platforms shape curricula to student performance, but the question is whether such personalization limits exposure to diverse perspectives, subtly shape intellectual development in ways students cannot fully control. Employment further exemplifies this tension, as automated hiring tools and performance trackers increasingly determine career paths, often without transparency or recourse for those affected. In each domain, we identify a common thread. AI's opaque decision-making can erode the very agency it purports to enhance. The threat to autonomy stems not only from AI's predictive power, but also from its capacity to influence behavior. Let us note how algorithms trained on vast data sets nudge individuals towards certain choices, whether through targeted recommendations or preemptive interventions, often without their awareness. This manipulation, intentional or not, challenges the notion of free will, raising ethical dilemmas about accountability and consent. For instance, an AI system predicting a student's likelihood of success might steer them toward a narrow vocational track, overriding their aspirations. Such scenarios prompt us to consider whether autonomy is sacrificed for rather efficiency or societal optimization, a trade-off that demands scrutiny. Yet, we also acknowledge that AI's potential to benefit society, like improving healthcare outcomes, streamlining education, and enhancing workforce productivity cannot be dismissed. The challenge lies in striking a balance. Let us then ensure that AI systems must be designed with transparency and human oversight as priorities, ensuring individuals retain the ability to question, modify, or reject algorithmic outputs. Incorporating ethical safeguards such as explainable AI and user-centered design could empower rather than diminish agency. By exploring these solutions, we seek to reconcile AI's perpetuates disparities and threatens equitable treatment, while turning to philosophical frameworks, most notably John Rawls' theory of justice as fairness, to illuminate pathways for developing and applying AI in ways that promote just outcomes. The goal is to ensure that AI serves as a tool for equity rather than mechanism for entrenching injustice. Let us identify numerous instances where AI amplifies societal inequalities. In criminal justice, for example, predictive policing algorithms trained on historical arrest data disproportionately target minority communities, reinforcing racial biases rather than correcting them. Similarly, in employment, AI-driven hiring tools often favor candidates whose profiles align with historically privileged groups, typically male, affluent, or from specific ethnic backgrounds, due to skewed training data sets. Let us also note gender disparities in AI applications, such as voice recognition systems that struggle with female voices or credit algorithms that penalize women based on outdated economic patterns. Socioeconomic divides further compound these issues, as marginalized populations with limited access to technology are excluded from AI's benefit while remaining vulnerable to its harms. In each case, we see bias not as an incidental flaw, but as a systemic feature of AI that demands ethical intervention. The consequences of such discrimination are profound, as we argue that unjust AI perpetuates a cycle of exclusion, undermining trust in technology and deepening social fractures. Bias in algorithms is often opaque, embedded in complex models that defy scrutiny, making accountability elusive. Let us contend that without deliberate action, AI risks becoming a digital echo of historical injustices, amplifying disparities under the guise of objectivity. Yet, we also recognize the potential for AI to redress these wrongs if guided by principled frameworks. To this end, let us draw on Rawls' theory of justice, which emphasizes fairness through the veil of ignorance, a thought experiment where decisions suggest designing systems that prioritize the least advantage. The next is ethical responsibility in AI. Let us begin by recognizing the immense power wielded by AI developers whose design choices ripple across societies. A flawed algorithm, for instance, might misdiagnose a patient or exclude qualified job applicants, causing tangible harm. Transparency emerges as a cornerstone of this framework as we highlight the opacity that frequently shrouds AI systems. At the heart of this framework lies the common good, a principle we champion as the ultimate measure of AI's ethical success. Rather than serving isolated stakeholders, AI must uplift communities addressing global challenges like poverty, health disparities, and environmental crises. On to the last point, the rapid ascent of AI presents a transformative opportunity and profound ethical challenge, compelling us to grapple with its implications for human dignity. Through an exploration of autonomy, justice, and ethical responsibility, I have sought to illuminate the risk AI poses to individual freedom, societal equity, and moral accountability, while proposing pathways to ensure its development and deployment align with humanity's highest aspirations. I have demonstrated that AI's impact on autonomy threatens the core of self-determination. Similarly, I have underscored justice as a critical lens, revealing how AI often amplifies existing inequalities through biased algorithms that discriminate In conclusion, let us call for an evolving ethical discourse that keeps pace with AI's advancements, ensuring its integration into society that upholds human dignity. By addressing autonomy, justice, and responsibility, we offer a blueprint for a future where AI supports the development of individuals and communities. This is not merely an academic exercise, but a moral imperative. One we urge all stakeholders to embrace as we navigate the promises and perils of an algorithmic age. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you. We'll time for a question. Yes, Justice, please.
I don't know much about the AI technology, so it's two questions related to each other. One, can it, I know it learns a lot by what you feed in and what it, for instance, can learn from the print material and things like that. Can it learn by hearing? And there's a lot of people around, our prejudices are not always put on paper, print, and we don't put them on social media, etc. But when we are quietly, we do talk sometimes things that we should not be talking in public, or we don't want the public to know. Will AI pick that and make part of its decision making? Secondly, human autonomy is a paradox. Ever since Hobbes' theory of giving everything to the sovereign, I'm not sure whether there is much of human autonomy left in the world. The state more or less controls your conscience through what sometimes called democracy or institutions or law, etc. Flipping the question that you've asked, is it human beings now finally giving up their autonomy to a machine? Because we tend to, for instance, in an institution of religion, we tend to give our autonomy to religion and we justify our acts by saying religion, or we justify by acts by nationalism, justify acts by all sorts of things. Is this another endeavor by human beings flipping autonomy and giving it to a machine now?
All right, thank you for that clarificatory questions. First of all, regarding your question whether AI could hear, that is also possible. We have machine learning and deep learning. Even if we are talking right now, for instance, AI could hear it and AI could post it online. That is also possible. Secondly, when it comes to autonomy, yes, it has been a 1,000-year-old problem. However, in the paper that I wrote, I argued there that AI does more harm than good when it comes to reducing human autonomy, because on the algorithmic age, all our decisions seems to be affected by digital voices or it is affected by, on our ability to use AI, for instance. So, yes, even if we submit our autonomy to different agencies, still, there might be a problem when it comes to AI manipulating human autonomy or human people in general. So at the core of my paper, I argued that at its present form, AI does more harm than good when it comes to human autonomy and human agency.
Thank you very much for your presentation and your question, and thank you.